Hey, today's a good day. You know why? Because Eagle Alloys is kicking off a new product. One that's kind of outside of our wheelhouse, but really is kind of in our wheelhouse because it's a high quality welding product. And what that product is our brand new battery powered 150 amp welding machine. 100% portable. You can weld with 332 electrodes, 1/8 electrodes. The beauty of this machine is it's portable 100%. Take it out to the middle of the field. There's nothing plugged in. It's 25 pounds. Off I go. It's like, oh, here's a little bracket I'm working on. So let's have a look at it. I'm going to set my machine at 73 amps. It's pretty much easy to do. I got some arc force happening here. Reverse and or straight polarity. I'm going to be on straight polarity for this electrode. And we're ready to weld. Let's work in this ugly old rusty material just to see how this thing really works. I can't even hear if this thing is on. It must be on. Let's try it. I won't bore you with more welding. You can see I haven't had to do too much, but watch the restrike on it. I'll do some starts and stops to show you the power of this little welder. It's actually kind of fun to weld with, isn't it? Can you imagine in the middle of the field, 150 amps, weld what you want. It's quiet, it's peaceful, it's awesome. Give it a try.
Thanks for watching today's video. If you'd like to see more, please subscribe and ring that bell so you're the first to know when a new video comes out. Share, like, comment, and ask any questions in the section below. It's a good bet that Eagle Alloys has the tools that can make your welding easier.